Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
Hi mga kachupapi! For today's video, i-pick up namin yung aking friends Balikbayan box para sa next day na i-deliver namin yung Balikbayan box para may extra income din. Extra income. So anyway mga kachupapi, pupunta tayo sa friend ko at bumiyahe kami ng 1 hour and 23 minutes.
An hour and like 8 minutes, but we got behind a little bit. We made wrong turns, so maybe an hour and 15 minutes total.
So mga kachupapi, malapit na kami sa bahay nila. Only 2 minutes na lang at darating na tayo sa kanilang bahay at pipick upin natin yung kanilang access para kasi medyo malayo yung kanilang bahay. So pumunta kami talaga dito para ma-send lang talaga yung Balikbayan box namin. Dito sa Wisconsin medyo malayo ang deliver ng mga Balikbayan box. So ito na yung bahay nila. Nilagay na nila doon. Yun na yung bahay nila mga kachupapi. Eh, there's a dog.
And I'll have to back in. He's gonna have to get out of the way, or he's gonna get run
Look
over.
at that, look at the view, mga kachupapi. Sobrang layo nila sa sa city, mga kachupapi. Tingnan mo. Sobrang layo talaga. Ay, look, watch out the dog, ah.
I know. Come on, get out of the way.
Wow, I'm glad they put the box outside na.
That should be good.
They have a van, though.
Should give you money. Right?
No? Hey!
Hello, finally you guys found here.
It's so far. You don't have a neighbor.
I told you before. Is this the same box?
Yeah, it's the same box like mine.
Okay.
That's cool. You have like this.
Yeah, because my husband worked at the grocery store.
Hi.
Hi.
Take it from here.
We didn't take the
I'd
van.
like you guys to have a fun.
Yeah, this wheel's locked.
It's more easier. Well, I don't write the address yet over there. Should I write the address?
I'm gonna write. Just give me the address.
Okay.
You can hold it so it doesn't move, and then I'll grab the
Okay.
box.
Yeah, you can lock this.
Heavy. Oh, it's fit.
I took all the measurements. All right, we'll take care of it for you.
Thank you. Oh, yeah. No payment.
Hello. It's so cold.
Yeah, she don't mind. 5 months. Yeah, she loves it outside.
You're very cute. Look at the dog. Look at the dog.
How old's your dog?
Like 3 or 4.
He's so happy. Oh,
Oh, no. Naughty.
oh, you got it ready. We bring something.
Yeah, I like.
Hold on. Thank you.
Hey, you.
But we still don't have a lot of
Hey, you.
because it's cold, so the chicken will
And if you guys have any more boxes in the future, we'll pick it up again too.
Okay.
It's usually best if you guys have more than one box, so that way you just save more money.
Yeah.
You know, and Chicago's the only place that they ship out by boat. So every time we try to go that far, we try to pick up as many boxes as possible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The one that's sent in the box is only 155 plus 70 it's 175.
So it, okay, so it's include pickup.
Bill.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, and usually if you guys are in town and you guys bring it to town, I'll just take it I'll just pick up for free. But since you guys are so far here, then we have to charge a pickup fee.
That's fine.
Yeah. And
Because it's far from the Chicago.
yeah, it's very
My
fun.
husband asking me where you live, and then where did I meet you? I said I meet you in the Christmas party, right? And then he said he drive all the way there to.
All right, we gotta get going. So
Thank you for the egg.
yeah,
Can
thank you
read
for.
I just swapped.
Oh, okay.
How much you? I just gave you one, but like, if you have more, I can give you more.
I only have one.
Oh, you have an empty one? Give her the empty one. She'll give you more.
Yeah.
It's peaceful out here, huh?
Yeah, we don't have neighbor. I
Oh.
can scream here and then nobody gonna come
I
here.
bet it's really dark at night, though, huh?
Not really.
No?
Yeah. That's really good. Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, he's crazy.
What's his name?
Alright.
Boy or girl?
Boy.
Boy. Hey,
He's friendly.
he's so friendly.
Come inside, but our house is so messy. I'm sick, so I gotta.
Okay, come on. Here, B.
Hi. Come over here. Come. Walk. Come here. Oh, look at that, oh. It's beautiful. Your bed is really beautiful. Your bed is so beautiful. Hello, baby love. You're so cute. Ito naman dog na to. Sulyap-sulyap naman ang bata to. Gusto rin niya ng attention. Gusto mo rin ng attention, baby love?
He's like, I'm going over here. He's like, I'm coming back.
Ay, ang bait naman ako. Be, I wanna have a dog.
Oh, you just want to get pet. You just want to get pet. Maybe in the future, dude. They're very high maintenance, so you have to be able to put in a lot of time.
Look at that. Look at that.
Taxidermy.
You have a lot of eggs. Thank you. We're definitely coming back for the eggs.
Thank you.
Thank you, ate. Balik ulit kami next, dahil sa egg. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Send mo sa akin address, ha?
Bye-bye. Take care.
Okay, thank you. They have a lot of eggs. It's on the side.
Hi.
Mhm.
Here?
Ooh, so cold. Okay. We're going home, mga kachupapi. At ito yung box na ipapadala ng aking friendly. Nagkaligaw-ligaw kami. Pero anyway, at least na-pick up namin yung box. Kasi nung unang dating ko rin dito sa Wisconsin, naghahanap din ako ng murang balikbayan box. Kaya lang super layo talaga at hindi sila nagpipick up sa aming lugar dahil super layo. So, inisip ko na gawin na lang namin ng asawa ko kasi nagda-drive naman siya, deliver boy naman siya, di ba? So, inisip ko na kami na lang para in case na kung gusto ng ibang mga Pinay, di ba? So, meron na kasi may mga taga-drive na kami, di ba? Ito nga yung aking asawa. At saka meron kaming van na hinihiram sa work ng aking asawa. So, pwede kami pumick up to 30 bucks, right? Up to 30 bucks.
Yeah, we can fit up to 25, 30 boxes.
Yeah.
It's a lot. We can fill up a lot in there.
So, itong box na to mga kasyupapi, ilalagay muna namin siya sa house namin until makaipon kami ng maraming box and then dadali na namin siya sa Chicago by April.
If they want boxes, we can get extra boxes there and sell it to you.
Yeah. Next time.
When we go there,
Wala yun, no?
we'll get some extra boxes too.
You know the way?
Yeah, I know.
ibigay mo yung full of love. Dahil nga yung isang box na to is full of love yan, syempre. Sabihin natin full of love, and then isa-send natin sa kapamilya nila. So, di ba? Ang hirap na naman pagkatiwalaan yung iba. So, anyway, siguro babalik na lang tayo sa video. Ika-cut ko na lang tong video na to at i-upload ko na lang siya pagka on the way na kami sa Chicago at nakaipon na kami ng mga boxes. So anyway, thank you mga kachupapis. See you the day that we're gonna sending the box.
Can't even lift on the other side. The TV back where I found.
You try. Then this you move 1 inch.
Yeah, I can't even lift it up.
Let's take it to the living room.
Gotcha.
Put it all right there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, sure.
Sure thing.
Oops.
Ito yung balikbayan ng aking friend. At ito naman yung mga ibang balikbayan box na hindi pa na sasara dahil marami pa tayong ipapadala. Ayan mga kachupapi.
Hey you.
So ayan. Magkasame lang din siya ng aking box. Tapos ito yung mga ibang hindi pa na ano dahil ano ko siya, ayusin ko siya mamaya. So ayan. Update ko na lang kayo mga kachupapi pagka papadala na namin yung box. Okay.
Welcome. Where's the other box? These 2 boxes?
May ano na yan, no? Tayo may mga name na.
Measurement, so we know what size.
Yeah, 17, 128, and then that one is 17, I think.
Yeah, I think this is just large. This is not extra
Yeah.
large. Yeah, this is just large. And this is the same.
Yeah, same. Sabi sa'yo, large eh. Yung pusa po, bakit lalabas ha?
Oo.
Wala pa naman ba?
They're both just large. So you just have to, you just pay for the large size.
29,
Let me
129.
put this back and then we'll come carry it.
Yeah.
How much is large?
129.
129. Isara mo muna ang ginamit.
Babalik niya yung panukat. Malaki din yung panote.
Pwede tayong tumambing din. Wala siyang ano, yung magbilang. Yung magbuhat ito, tulungan mo siya.
Bibi, I'll help you.
Frank, he have like that.
Let's see how heavy
The
it
is heavy.
Yeah.
Does he have a hand cart?
Yeah.
Well, I might be able to just
Parang
handle
magaling naman ako.
If I handle that one, is
it. B, I got it. B, I got it.
Sure?
Yep.
Hello? Baka may babasagin dito.
wala, dilata yan.
Ano? Bakit mo sinasara binibidyo ko sila ma? Ame.
Ito maano ito magaan.
Ayan. Ayan po.
Just gotta get it down the stairs.
Tatlo lang pala eh.
Careful. Ayun, dadali namin Chicago. Tatak. Walang pangalan. Mayroon.
Same.
Same na.
Which one is phase?
Ha?
Which one is phase box?
What
do you mean Facebook?
What?
Is it both their box?
Yeah.
I thought Faye's gonna drop her box here too.
Faye?
Faye, Ate Mari Faye.
No, we're gonna go there because this one is far from their house.
Okay, want me apple?
Here.
Okay, wait for me,
You
huh?
done cleaning her nails?
Yeah, we're just done.
129, 129, 256. Tapos yung isa lalagyan, yung mabigat lalagyan ko ng insurance ha? $5.
Ah, sige.
Yung isa lang yung mabigat ha?
So, ayan na po ang...
I'm gonna use that.
You wanna eat daw?
Huh?
You wanna eat? Oh, you wanna go bathroom?
Tinder. Over here?
Ba't mo sinara yan, Judith? Bilangin natin to. Halika dito. Bilangin mo yan.
Dahil pera.
Bilangin mo muna. Yeah. Bilangin niya diretso. Dagdagan.
100.
Yung isa, lalagyan ko ng insurance, $5. Ano? 256. Tapos, yung $5 dito, insurance.
200.
sa mat mo.
Ano daw? Ano daw to? Hindi mo maintindihan. Ang dami ng pera.
Nikki ka ba?
1, 2, 3, 60, 61. 61.
Mama, 161 yan. Kasi 256 lahat yun, 129.
Plus 129.
Magaling sa mat to. Hindi mo maloloko to sa pera.
So, bakit may sobra for the insurance?
$5 daw. Ay, add mo nga, te.
Tama na. Insurance, tapos yung bayad din sa nails, ayun.
Ito, bayad ko sa nila na.
Thank you, te.
Ano pa, ma? Napabibigay mo, dami pa. Dami mo pa mali.
Ito sa akin to.
258 pala.
Sobra.
No, 258 kulang. 258.
260 to eh. Oo, ito mo. 200.
Lang yung insurance na $5.
Oh, may trip.
Ah.
258, dos.
Oo nga pala kulang.
Dos lang yung ano dyan, di ba? Dos lang yung ano. Ito yung sa dos. May sukli akong dos dyan, di ba? Ito, 5 sa
Sakto.
Sakto. Yan.
Baby, one box, the heavy one is
The heavy one,
with insurance.
I insurance, okay?
Yeah.
The heavy one.
Yep. Whatever you guys want. If you want insurance, I think they say it was $5 for 100 pounds, right?
$100.
Do you guys know how long? Do you guys know how heavy it weighs or no?
I don't know.
I think $10 would
mo?
cover it. It shouldn't be more than 200. I don't think it's more than 200. Because if it's 200, the minute I lift that thing up, the bottom's gonna give out.
Yeah.
So this is how much?
260
plus 129.
258 plus
plus $5.
$5.
4, 5, so it's 2, 40, 60, 63.
Yeah.
$10 for insurance.
$5
$5
insurance.
Okay.
The only one box, the heavy one, okay?
Okay.
You the one
I'll-
I ate?
She will remember that because she writes all this stuff down.
Okay.
I just carry it and I drag it.
Oo, may ebidensya
We gotta
tayo.
keep going, so it's okay.
We're going to Faye. We're gonna go to Faye,
We
pick
gotta
up
go
the
meet her
box.
at Applebee's so we can pick up her box too.
Yeah. Okay. Hello mga kachupapi. Na-pick up na namin yung box nila Ate Jorich. Bibi, kiri. Ngayon, maghahagilap muna kami ng mga kaperahan. Maghahagilap muna kami ng kaperahan kasi kailangan namin ng pera. Mga pera. Yes, bye na Ate
Did she
Jorich.
give you money for cleaning nails?
Yeah. She gave me tip po, $10.
Okay. How much did she give you for cleaning nails and toes?
Yeah. 40.
She give you 40? That's good.
So mga kachupapi, pipikapin namin yung box ni Ate Fe. So let's go! Para bukas, ready na kami.
Did you message her already? You should message her now that we're on our way.
Message ko. Message ko muna si Ate Fe. Mga kachupapi, medyo makulimlim, pero okay lang. Ganda naman ang panahon. Ganda naman yung kalsada. O, ayan. Medyo makulimlim. Paggabi na kasi mga kachupapi, gala sa isla. Ito yung ating box. Mamaya mga nasa 7 box na yan. Ito yung mga bahay dito. Konti lang mga bahay dito. Maybe. Only few house here. No.
This is the countryside. There's not a lot of people.
Countryside.
Yes. There's some houses, but not. Some people like it out here, but for me, it's very dark at night.
Yeah. Very dark. scary here? Ha? Ayun o, Kacho Papi oh, may mga bahay naman. Pero wala, ayun lang. Ano, kapitbahay, yun lang. Eh, hindi yung ano, susunod na kapitbahay oh. Malayo, ayan oh. Ayun, gusto ko, Bio. I like the one, oh, that one. The tree like that. That I want. Tingnan mo, Kacho Papi, oh. Ang galing. Kasi ginawa nila parang ano, fence yung tree. Kasi yung mga fence dito ganyan, oh, Kacho Papi. Gusto ko yung fence ko, puno, para maganda. May parang ganyan, no, Kacho Papi, oh, pang mayaman, no. Ganyan gusto kong fence. Wala lang, share ko lang. Eh, kanina pa lamang Kacho Papi, nilinisan ko yung mama ni Ate Jurech. Nag-extra ano rin ako, diba? Extra service, di ba? Extra income din, di ba? Kahit pa paano, wala tayong extra kita. Kasi tomorrow, mga Kacho Papi, pupunta tayo sa Chicago, idadrop na natin yung box. Makakatuwa mga Kacho Papi, sana marami pang magpabalik-bayan box sa amin, magtiwala, di ba? So, itong box na to, hindi na namin nalabas, hindi na namin papasok sa bahay dahil bukas na kami aalis. Kaya lang, ang pinipick up lang namin mga Kacho Papi, pre-pick up, yung malapit lang sa bahay namin. Yung malapit din sa Two Rivers, yan, pwede namin i-pick upin. Pero kung malayo, mga Milwaukee, or ano, may pabayad na yung deliver. Kasi yung asawa ko ang nagpipick up, di ba? Sabi ko nga sa asawa ko, sana
We can pick
tuloy-tuloy.
up Milwaukee and Madison because it's on the way too. So if somebody lived there and they want pick up, we could do it on the same day that we're going there.
For free?
No, there'll be pickup charge because we have to stop
Yeah.
and we have to go into the
Mishka.
city and then look for it. I think we can do Mishka too. Mishka's not too far away. The
Yeah.
only one free is Manitowoc.
Yeah,
And anywhere else, there's going to be a pickup charge
yeah,
because we have to make stop and we have to go find the address.
yeah.
Madison and Milwaukee is on the way, but it doesn't guarantee that the address is straight on the way. We still have to stop and then go into the city and then pick it up and then come back onto the highway and then go back. So if anybody is in Milwaukee or Madison, they want, we can pick up on the same day that we're delivering. Like for example, if they have it, then we can pick it up on a Saturday because we're delivering on Saturday.
So mga Kacho Papi, tignan na natin tong mga daanan nito. Pagka dumadaan kami dito, ang ganda kasi nakikita namin yung overlook na ano, ayan mga Kacho Papi. Nasa taas kasi kami. So overlook siya ng mga puno, bahay, ayan. Kaya nakakatuwa. So punta muna kami sa work ng aking asawa, mga Kacho Papi, kasi kukuhain namin yung mga gamit na pwede namin dalhin bukas. Nasa kotse kasi. So ito yung mga kapitbahay namin, mga Kacho Papi. Ayan. Mga kapitbahay. Wala mga kataw-taw sa labas ng mga Kacho Papi. Ito yung park dito. Ayan. Pero itong park na to parang ayun yung ating playground sa kabila. Malawak, diba? So ito mga Kacho Papi, ang aming sasakyan, kukuhain lang namin yung mga kailangan.
You just want this?
Yeah. Just want that one because I need it. And I need this one too in case. Gumawa ko na rin yung plastic para in case na umulan.
It's very tight.
I remember we have two. Where's the other one?
I don't remember. I gave it to you. You put it inside the box. Remember?
Charger. We don't need charger.
I don't think I need it.
Okay.
I'm just gonna get my glasses
Yeah, get your glasses.
if you need it.
Yeah, we should bring this too.
Yeah. Telescope ka. Bibi! Lamig! Nalagay ko yan kasi para in case na ibababa namin yung box or umuulan. Di ba? Naka-ready kami. Malaki yung
Up here too if you want to put stuff out.
Ano sa basta eh? It's kind of like airplane. Airplane.
Put this up here. Put this up here.
So big. It's kind of like artista van. You can put your bed here. No.
You can put all kinds of stuff in here.
Ayan, mga kasyukapi. Nakakabit na yung ating. Ano, ayan o. Sakit ang ulo ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Siguro sa sobrang lamig. Kaya ayoko lumalabas eh. Siraan ako ng ulo. Ayoko na! Malamig! Lamig! So anyway, mga kachupapi, pinasok lang ng aking asawa yung mga resibo dahil nag-deliver siya today. At tomorrow na yung ating Chicago trip! Punta na naman tayo Chicago, kachupapi. Baba nga natin ang konti. Yan! Masyadong nakaangat eh. Nakakatuwa na mga kachupapi. Excited na ako for tomorrow. Nakakaiyak! Pero ayun mga kachupapi, kung itong van na to is may mga upuan lang sa likod, isasama ko sila Ate Jory, sila, mga kaibigan ko mga kachupapi, kasi gusto rin nila pumunta ng Chicago. Hindi lang na yung masama-sama, dahil dalawa lang upuan dito. Kaya, pero okay lang din mga kachupapi. Next time may oras pa, may time pa naman na pumunta sila doon. Kasi, pero this time, mga kachupapi, dadalhin lang namin yung box and then after namin idalhin yung box sa sa LBC, pag drop namin ng box, saka kami gagala sa Chicago. Excited na ako mga kachupapi kasi last year pa kami gumala doon eh. And then, nagulit na naman, thank you Lord mga kachupapi, thank you Lord. Wala, excited lang akong gumala kasi doon ko lang na-experience na pag pumunta ako sa downtown ng Chicago. Parang feeling ko nasa Manila ako, nasa BGC, Makati, alam mo yung mga kachupapi. Doon ko lang na-experience na nasa bahay, parang I feel at home. Kasi dito parang talagang kakaiba. Bahay ka lang talaga dito kasi malamig. Alam mo yung walang mga tao sa labas, walang mga building. Diba? Pero, thank you. Thank you din sa asawa ko. Dahil, lagi niya akong lagi niya akong iisip, lagi niya akong pinupunta doon, lagi niya akong ginagala doon kasi nga na-homesick din ako, di ba? Pero, antayin lang natin asawa ko mga kachupapi. Dito na kami mga kachupapi, naantay lang namin sila Ate Fe, yung kanyang box, and then after noon, ayusin ko yung box ko, and then isasara na namin yung box, and then mag-ready na tayo for tomorrow. Nalamig pa rin ako mga kachupapi, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Kahapon nag-away kami ng asawa ko. Hindi niya kasi ako maintindihan yung English ko daw. Hindi niya maintindihan. Akala niya galit ako. Kaya ako nagagalit mga kachupapi kasi hindi niya ako maintindihan. Tapos sabi niya sa akin pag nagagalit daw ako. Parang akong where am I? If I'm getting angry?
You're a chihuahua.
How I'm the chihuahua? If you do the hands like that.
You cannot touch them. They're gonna hurt your hand.
Tawa ko na tawa.
They're small and cute, but they're very, very, very vicious. You cannot touch when they're angry. They will bite.
Yeah. Tawa ko ng tawa. Sinabi niya sa akin. Naalala ko kasi yung boss ng yung boss ng mama ko, mga kachupapi, may chihuahua dati. Aga dadating ako doon sa bahay ng boss ng mama ko. Kahul ng kahul, be. Kahit napakaliit lang na aso, ganun, oh. Chihuahua. Kahul ng kahul. Akala mo napakalaking aso. Pero maliit lang siya. Kaya naalala ko yung itsura niya. Pero pagka gaganon din ba yung rin. Kakagatin na daw siya ng chihuahua. Ganun daw ako pag nagagalit. Sira ulo rin din.
Don't try to pet the chihuahua.
Sakit pa rin ang ubi. I have headache. Because I'm cold.
It's okay, maybe we'll be home soon.
We should bring our...
We have to dress warm tomorrow because it's going to be cloudy, so it might be a little bit cold.
Yeah, and we bring what's it called? For the head.
Beanie? Hat? The cap?
Yeah, for biking.
Oh, the helmet.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, we'll bring the helmet too, just in case.
Yeah. Kalimutan ko. Ang tagal mo na, Ate Fe. Siguro papunta na yun dito. Where is it? Get the plastic.
Nasa likod.
Ikaw na mag-isa?
Ako na. Nasa likod.
Yeah.
There. Sorry.
I think, yeah, this is large, no?
Let me get the tape.
Same with, Marisa.
Si Marisa. Yung golden.
Oo.
Nag-ano na.
That way, so they don't.
Yeah, that is large. I eat it.
Happy birthday, Te.
Thank you.
Ilan taon ka na?
Ay, 24.
It's roughly about the same size, but this is a large box.
Large.
Yeah, large.
35.
Yeah, 135. Cebu?
Yeah, Cebu. Cebu. Meron siyang dali na gano'n. Yung dali, yung pang yung...
Dali?
Oh, yung pang... Oh, you can...
Yeah, he can.
Madali.
So, ayan.
Alright, we are good.
Ito si Ate Fe, mga katsupake. Sige na, get na kami. Ha, lamig!
Sa 11 ang birthday ko sa Golden Corral. Punta kayo, ha?
O, sige.
Yeah.
11. Akala ko ngayon.
Ngayon ang birthday mo, ba't busy?
Birthday niya sa Sunday.
Sa Sunday din.
Oo, para sana kayo,
April.
April.
April. Okay, 1. Thank you.
Thank you, Ate.
Thank you, okay. Drive safe tomorrow to
Alright.
Today your birthday, but
We'll make sure it gets there safely.
Yeah, drive safe over there, okay?
It's your birthday?
Yeah.
There's my gift. My gift is your birthday.
now we're gonna go to Golden Corral. Bye, Ate.
Talaga. Kasi ito igagalaga. Golden Corral, April 11, ha? Yung dalawa, ha? Okay?
Lunch?
Yeah.
More boxes. I prefer that they do more boxes so that way it's worth the trip. And we make
Tumatawag.
Well, we can go. What day is that? Saturday?
I guess. So mga kachupapi, pauwi na
If
kami.
it's Saturday, then you can go with them, but I'm working, so I'm probably not gonna go.
Sakit ang ulo
If
ko.
it's Sunday, then I'll go.
Baby, may headache. Yeah. Lamig kasi mga kachupapi, yung ulan na.
Just in time before the rain comes.
Yeah. So mga kachupapi, pauwi na kami. Ayusin ko lang yung box ko. And then, sasabihin, papakita ko sa ate ko para alam niya yung mga expected niyang makakarating. Anyway, mga kachupapi, ang gamit pala namin carrier ay LBC. Subok na namin siya kasi last year, yun yung ginamit namin. At 2.5 months lang siya dumating na dun sa aming bahay. Kaya, mabilis. At saka, okay naman. Yun nga lang mga kachupapi, hindi ko masyado na package yung mga dilata. Kaya yung mga dilata, medyo nag-crack-crack sa loob ng ano. Kaya this time, ipapack ko talaga ng maayos yung mga balikbayan box ko. So, umuwi na tayo. Lapit na kami mga kachupapi. Ito na ang ating cute na bahay. Yan na yung ating bahay, mga kachupapi. Dito na kami, mga kachupapi, at hindi na namin ibababa itong mga box na to dahil dyan na yan. Ang gagawin namin, mga kachupapi, ibabox ko na yung mga box ko. Ititape ko na yung mga box ko. And then yung asawa ko, aayusin niya yung bike dahil dadalhin namin yung bike for tomorrow. Magbabike kami sa Chicago. So, ito po yung mga box ko, mga kachupapi. Yan. Kinover ko siya ng towel, saka ng box. Ito naman yung sa friend ko. Susulatan ko pa ng address. And then, ito naman yung sa akin din. Saka sa akin din. So, ayan. Sulatan ko na nga ito ng address, mga kachupapi. Hindi ko pa nasusulatan ng address to. So, ayan na mga kachupapi. Yung ating box. Medyo umuulan pa sa labas. Kaya, sabi ko takpan ng asawa ko bago ilabas para hindi mabasa yung box. Morning, everyone. Punta na kami. Ito yung aming mga bit-bit, mga kachupapi. So, update ko kayo later, mga kachupapi.
Okay, charge now. Make sure we have full charge when we're there, so we won't have any problems later.
Alas 6 na ng umaga. Alis na kami.
I think they copied the Leaning Tower that's in Italy.
Oh, they have here?
I don't know if it's a copy, but it
That's
looks
cool.
like a Leaning
That's cool.
Tower.
Ala, that's cool, babe. I want to take a picture there. Hello, mga kachupapi, oh.
Take the video.
That's so funny.
That's not the exact duplicate. The actual one is a lot bigger.
Eh, mga kachupapi,
This is
oh.
a copy.
Ala, ang kalit. Ano lang, we're here in Chicago, mga kachupapi. Mag-aalas 9 na, so 3 hours na kami nagda-drive at malapit na kami sa Balikbayan Box. Balikan ko kayo later pag nandun na kami. Chupapi, ang gaganda ng bahay dito. I like the house here. It's not a house. It's kind of like chapel. This is the church, mga kachupapi. I like the neighborhood here. And look, oh.
Yeah,
No.
this is probably like a nice neighborhood area.
Ang ganda.
But I don't like these city neighborhoods. It's very loud.
Yeah.
I like the suburbs where it's quiet. It's outside the city. It's nice, peaceful.
We're here, mga kachupapi. Yeah,
It's the
we're
next
here.
one, but we're gonna turn here, and then we'll go in the back.
We're here na. Yay.
Finally here.
Oh, that guy, we saw him before, remember?
We'll wait for him to unload.
Yeah.
Is it that one? 2481?
Yeah. He's the one too.
I should park.
Ito yung mga kachupapi. Ay! Baby, I think it's wrong. It's not here. Oh, yeah, it
It
is.
is. I remember they have a ramp.
Yeah. Ayun, nakachupapi yung mga balikbayan box, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan na yung balikbayan box na, oh, diba? We're gonna stay here. We're gonna wait for that guy first.
Wait till he finish.
So, ito mga kachupapi. Ilan yung box natin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, itong malalaki is sa akin. Yung 4 is sa customer ko, mga kachupapi. Ay, tama. Itong 4 na to. Sa customer. And then, ito for my family. 3 box. And then, dinala namin yung bike namin, mga kachupapi. Ayan. Parang bike tayo sa Chicago. Parang, I think you just deliver, no? In, FedEx. No, it's kind of like this, remember?
Kind of.
Why they remove the ramp?
I don't know.
Look, it's very hard now.
It's okay. I can do what he does. I just back it up and then I'll lift it onto the dock.
Oh, I'm glad we only have, a few box.
It's okay. I can handle it. The Pinoy hub. Pinoy hub.
Ay, mga kachupapi.
That's Filipino. We got the Filipino flag too. Your girls are success.
So, antayin natin to. Kuya, pagka 7 box ba, iba rin yung papel? Na
Malit lang po.
So, isang papel lang lalagay?
Hindi, bali 7 na 7 box mo yun.
Okay.
7 na papel.
Okay. Tingnan ko lang yung mga address. So, maglilista muna ako rito mga kachupapi. Ito yung office nila, LVC. And then, ito yung aking finifill upan. So,
Do you guys
ayan
have
po.
extra charge on a credit card or no?
So, I'm gonna bring this one.
Yeah, keep that.
Alright, just 1 second. I'll do it right
Sure.
back.
I forgot to ask how long it's gonna take.
Usually like 3 months.
3 months, no? Mga kachupapi, ayan po yung mga marami nagpapadala ng balikbayan box, oh.
So now is April. So it probably won't get there until July,
Like,
August. If it's early, maybe June.
okay. Where did they put the box? Our box?
On a pallet somewhere.
Let me see. So, tignan natin. May mga tracking bawat mga kachupapi, oh. May mga tracking siya. Ayun, yung ating box, mga kachupapi. Ayan. So, nilagyan na nila ng tracking. Ayan, mga kachupapi. Asan na yung ayan. May ninumberan ko mga kachupapi para hindi mawala. Asan na yung mga ibang kasama natin? Saan nilagay? Kasi nilagyan nila scotch tape, oh. Ito yata yun. Ayan. Asan na yung nasa ilalim yata, dahil. Ito. Ito yung kalahati Marife. Ayan. Nilagyan din nila ng scotch tape. Ito naman kalahati Marisa. Ayan, nilagyan din nila ng scotch tape yan. 2 kalahati Marisa. Ayan. And then yung isang, asan na ito? Dan?
To Manila, roughly 2.5 months. To Cebu, it's about 3 months.
Okay, pauwi na kami mga kachupapi. Punta na kami sa gagalaan namin. Pero, tignan natin. Check natin kasi kailangan kong ibigay yung mga tracking number doon sa mga nagpadala ng box. So, kachupapi, ito yung van na gamit namin. Trabaho ng asawa ko. Let's go! Kachupapi, pupunta na kami sa next destination namin. For today's video, hanggang dito na lang yung ating for balikbayan box. At na-send ko na lahat ng reference. At sabi sa akin doon, is hindi mo siya matatrack pagka yung balikbayan box mo is nandun pa sa pinagdala namin. Matatrack mo siya kapag ka nasa barko na siya or nasa Washington ba, California. Kasi bago Chicago, pupunta pa sila sa Washington eh. Ganun yata yung pagkakaintindi ko sa akin. So, mga kachupapi, mga 3 to 4 months ang dating ng balikbayan box. Depende sa barko kung gaano kabilis ang barko. So, for that. So, hanggang dito na lang yung ating vlog. Thank you mga kapapi!